Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to enable 5G network on Samsung Galaxy A07. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Settings applications. This is the main control center of your device, where you can manage all system preferences, connectivity options, and overall phone settings. It's usually represented by a gear-shaped icon. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Connections option. Tap on it to access all your connectivity settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networks. Step 3. Next, tap on Mobile Networks. This menu controls all cellular-related settings. Here you'll find options for data usage, roaming, and importantly, the network mode. Step 4. Tap on Network Mode. If your Samsung Galaxy model supports 5G, you'll see an option like 5G LTE 3G 2G Auto, or simply 5G 4G 3G 2G. Select this option to enable 5G. Once selected, your phone will automatically connect to the fastest available network depending on your location and carrier support. Step 5. That's it. You can now enjoy faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and lower latency with your 5G connection. If you don't see a 5G option, make sure your device supports 5G and that your SIM card and carrier plan also support it. Enabling 5G is quick, and once activated, it can significantly improve your mobile internet experience. Enjoy your faster connection, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.